The first step is to open Canva and click Search Your Content or Canvas. Type Google Classroom Header. Click Google Classroom Header from the option that appear. Note that Canva lets you know that a Google Classroom header is 1920 by 480 pixels in size. Canva has over 2,300 Google Classroom header templates. To filter what you are shown, scroll down and click All Filters. Select the filters you want to use from Style, Theme, Subject, Topic, and Color, and click Apply. You can either choose to create a header from a blank template that's already the correct size by selecting the blank template with the plus sign on it, or scroll down and click to choose a template. If you've chosen to use a template, click Customize this template. After editing the template, click Share. Click Download. Click Download. Your new Google Classroom header will download to your computer, and from there you can upload it into your own Google Classroom. An alternative way to save your Google Classroom header is to your Google Drive. Click Share. Scroll and click More. Scroll and click Google Drive. Scroll and click the folder in your Google Drive to which you want to save the header. Click Save. From here, you can view the header in your Google Drive, continue editing, or go to your home page. That's it, you're done.